Alright guys, here's my box break of 2010 FIFA World Cup South Africa Premium Trading Cards. Just got the box about 2 days ago and opened it up. Pretty nice cards, I think, so far for the 2010. I think they're better looking than the Adrenalyn. But here's show you what I pulled out right here. They're mostly like, you know, the stickers of the companies, main of the soccer teams. England, Spain, Germany. Pretty nice looking holographic cards. I think it's pretty cool. Mexico, Netherlands, some more stickers of the teams, USA. Here's some of the cards I pulled out. They're in order. There's Argentina. Star player cards. Messi. Seal. Silva. We got some Kaká, Brazil team. These are cool cards. I like the look of them. Germany. Spain. Ramos right there. Get a better picture of it right here. There's Ramos, there's Iniesta, Xavi, Hernandez, Villa. I like how these cards look, pretty cool. Niño Torres, really cool looking. Korea. Rafa Marquez. Here's the Netherlands team. Snyder and Robin. Portugal. My Cristiano Ronaldo card right there. Forlan, Suarez, the USA team right here, Howard, Donovan, Bradley, Stadiums, and the checklist. That's all I got for now. I'm trying to complete the set, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the box break. Later.